So let's get some of this education in for all you guys who want to be quote unquote high value. You got to have high value skills. It's really that simple. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it, right? Don't make any excuses, right? Or else the more excuses you make, the more time's going to fly by. Before you know it, you've made nothing of your life. Some of you guys have never even made $80,000 a year, right? I'm trying to show you guys how to make even double that, right? So, guys, what I teach you is not just SQL. It's just a tool that's going to get you to what, quote unquote, high value step. Guys, a lot of you guys, your marriages are on the brink. On this face, right? A lot of your what you call this, your marriages are on the brink. She's starting to look, man, right? Simply because, hey, she's tired of being stressed out with bills and so on and so forth. Hey, women have an expiration date, though. They do. They'll hang with you until, yeah, they be like, you know what? Yeah, this nigga ain't shit. I ain't about shit, right? And that's your job. As your man, it's your job to provide, to provide and protect. The if and the buts about it. It's her job to be peaceful, not fat. That's really it, right? And loving, peaceful. Don't be fat and be loving. That's really all we ask for, right? But as a man, you're a man for a reason. A man provides. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. This shit ain't about you. You guys keep thinking that this SQL stuff that I'm teaching, this Oracle stuff I'm teaching, it's about Oracle. It's not about that. It's about generational wealth. It's about providing a better life for your children. You understand that? Entiendes? See? Okay. Right. All right. Once again, guys, for you guys who are on the brink, if you want to talk to me, guys, you can talk to me. Just book a calendar. It's in the description. Just book a calendar. We'll talk for 30. We can chop it up for 30 minutes. See what's up. See where you're at. It might not be a good fit. It might not be. But I can't think of a career where in 3 to 4 months where you can go from where you are now to making 150K at the low 120K, $60 an hour. I can't think it. I can't think of it. Where even on the job you only work maybe 10 hours a week. That combination, I haven't found it. I can't think of it. You can make a lot more in a business and so on, but guys, stop all bullshit. Even if you're gonna start a business, you need money. You need cash flow to be coming in. Without cash flow, nothing works. You need something steady that you can always what? Latch onto. Sometimes businesses go up and down. If you got that job that's coming in, pumping in money, you're good, right? So that's what we're here for. Okay. All right. So last time I taught you guys about order by, right? So I want to talk more about the filtering process, right? So if I do select star from dog, right? You guys see that? Yeah, see that, right? All right. So we got what? Three. We got 3 rows. I'm going to teach you guys about the using the ands and the ors, right? So I want to filter more and more and more and more and more, right? So this is what I would do. I would do what? I want to filter as much as I can. I want to marry a woman who's black, who's under 30, who's got a college degree, who can cook, right? You see how I'm filtering, and filtering, right? Same thing here, right? So let's filter. I'll give you the rules. So do select dog from dog, No filter so far. All right. First filter. Where? In fact, I'll just do where. First filter. Where ID equals 2. That's first filter. Or ID equals 3. Right? Second filter. And last name. Oh, sorry, is it? No, it's just name. And name equals John. And SSN like. I'll explain that like in a minute. 8 star. Semicolon, and I'm going to press enter. You guys see what I did there? All right. So let's start from dog. That gives me everything. Where the ID is equals to 2. Okay, so I really filtered there. So basically, nothing else mattered. Well, okay, where ID equals 2 or ID equals 3. So I said, okay, give me either or. All right, give me either or. That matters. So when you do an either or, it's going to give you both. Use or, it's going to give you both. Right? And name equals John. Now that was extra filter. And social security number begins with 8. You see that? So when you filtered it, all that, it gave me one row. Only John meets that criteria. You guys see that? Now what is this 8 star? What that basically means is I could have done this. I could have done this. I could have done this. Here we go. Okay. I could have done this. I could have done this. It would have gave me the same result. But the point is, that's a lot of typing right here, right? So what this 8 star, 8, whatever you want to call it, percentage sign, right? What that basically means is it starts with 8. It must start with 8. I don't care about anything else. Just put a percentage sign there. What you're saying is it definitely must start with 8. It's the SSN starts like this. It definitely starts with an 8, right? But I don't care what it ends with. So it's going to say, okay, it definitely starts with an 8. Cool. It's going to give you that, right? Or I could have said, select star from dog, where SSN like quote percent 4. See that? So what I'm saying is, I don't care what it begins with, but I want it to end with 4. That's what I'm basically saying, right? So these are just little tricks that you can use, right, to make your life a lot easier when you're coding, right? Little tricks of the trade, right, guys? Anyway, guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe, guys. Just giving you guys a little taste on what you guys are going to experience in the course, right? The Calendly is there. Also, the link to the course is there as well. All you got to do is click it, sign up, ship at a laptop, and you're good to go. All right, guys? So I will talk to you guys soon. Peace. All right, guys, I'll keep it short. So this is my site, clouduniversity.com. Been teaching for going on over 10 years. I teach people how to make 6 figures, right? It's really that simple. six figures. If you want to make six figures, boom, it is what it is, right? Now, we teach you all things as far as related to Oracle database administration. Look at all the courses. We have over 1,000 courses on there, right? But you can learn how to make six figures today. And yes, AI is here, but it's not. It's AI is actually dying. If you guys do your research, right? So there is still going to be need for humans to actually do the work, right? I'm not over here trying to teach you guys how to make $1 million. No, I just want to show you guys how to double your salary. So the average black man makes what, $42,000 a year. Cool. Well, I'm gonna teach you how to triple that. Simple enough. You make what, 20 bucks an hour? I'm gonna show you how to make between 60 and $70 an hour after what, 3 months. How hard is that, right? So what you want to do is you want to go to clouduniversity.com, all right, and you want to click on the first, you want to click on the very first video that you guys see. I'm sorry, course that you guys see, this one right here. We have shorter, we have shorter videos that are a little bit more tailored. This gives you everything, but then we have other courses, right? So we have Oracle and AWS for you guys that just want to learn Oracle and AWS. You can just learn that. But if you want the whole shebang, yep, it's right there, right? Now you may ask yourself, well, why is it so expensive? Well, that it's relative, right? If you want to go back to college, that's going to cost you at least what, 100 to 200 grand with room on board, and that's going to take you 4 years. But with Cloud University, it's only going to take you 3 months, 3 short months, and you're making 70 bucks an hour. I think it's a good deal. So, guys, hit the link in the description. Book a call on Calendly or whatever, and we can talk. We can sit down and we can talk for about 30 minutes and see whether or not we're a good fit. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Peace.